Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a clicker game. So if you click this button, you can see we get clicks, and then if we keep clicking and get all the way to 50 clicks and then click rebirth, we have a little menu that says cost 50 clicks, and then we can click rebirth and it'll give us a rebirth. So of course it doesn't work anymore because I've just got 50 clicks. Well, I've not got 50 clicks. So I need to get 50 clicks again to get my next rebirth. And then you can see I have 2 rebirths and 0 clicks, but it goes up. So first thing, we want to go into server script service and click script. We want to rename it leader stats, and if you accidentally come out the script, double click it again. Copy exactly what I will put in here. Copy this exactly. Pause the video here to copy it. Okay, let's continue. To make sure it's working, you should have a 0 clicks and 0 rebirths bit on your leaderboard. Now you want to add in a screen GUI and starter GUI and name it clicks GUI, and add another one called rebirth GUI, then inside clicks GUI you want to add an image button, and then if you go into your toolbox and go into images, you can search up mouse, okay, and then there's loads of them here, so I can select this one. Then you want to copy the texture and then put it in the image button texture here, and then a little mouse icon should appear. So now you have your click button. Now we need to actually code it. So add in a local script and copy exactly what I do. Put this exact code into the local script. I will give you a moment to pause and copy the video. Okay, and once you've done that, go back in, and to test it, play the game, and every time you click you will get a little point for the clicks. Now add in the text label in the clicks GUI and then make it, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to make it so you can see how much clicks you have without the leaderboard. Add a script into the text label and copy exactly what I type. Okay, I'll give you some time to pause the video and copy it. Alright. Now basically what we are going to do is make the rebirths bit. So, we'll close this off. Basically what you want to do is you want to add in a frame in rebirth GUI, then scale it so it looks a bit like this, or you can make it bigger if you want. Okay, change the anchor point here 0.5, 0.5, just so that it displays it well on all devices. Okay, then you want to add in a text button and put it up in the top corner. You make it red, and you can put an X, text scaled, and make the text color 3 white. Then we have a little X button up in the corner. So name it exit button, and add in a local script. Copy exactly this. Okay, now that you've copied it, you want to add in a text label and name it title. Then you can scale it out a bit. Background transparency is 1. Then make it so it's text scaled, and then type in Rebirth as our title. Okay. Now we want to add in another text label, and it will be called price. You want the background transparency to be 1, and you want to drag it here. And I'm going to do cost 100 clicks, so I need to click 100 times to unlock the Rebirth. And then add in another text button. You can make it green. Make sure text scales on and make it say Rebirth. Okay. So we've got that now. Now, we should name it Rebirth button. Then go into it and add in a local script. Alright, copy this. Now that you've copied that, you want to make the frame invisible. Then what you want to do is add in another button in just normal Rebirth GUI. Okay. You want to name it Enter button and drag it down here. You can put the text in as Rebirth. Remember, you can decorate the text in that yourself. Right, so now that we have our enter button, you want to add in a local script and copy exactly what I put in. Okay, once you've copied that, just pause the video. Okay, now that you're done, you want to go back into Classic Baseplate, and then you want to go onto Clicks GUI, and this text label you want to duplicate it and move it up. Okay, go into the local script in it, and then change this bit here into Rebirths, and also change this bit here into Rebirths as well. Now if we play the game, we should have a fully functioning clicker game. So you can see that the clicks go up when I press them. You can see that now I have 100 clicks. You can click Rebirth and you have this really satisfying bit you can click and then come off of, and then you can click Rebirth. 100 clicks will go down the drain.